Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a new 2021 ATC Game Changer. Now don't confuse it with the Game Changer Pro that's behind me that's sold. We do have others coming in, but today I'm showing you the Game Changer. This is a 2021 brand new one. All aluminum toy hauler, best built out there when it comes to something that is nothing that's going to deteriorate. It's all aluminum, no wood in the structure. Just a phenomenal build, a trailer that can last a lifetime with very little ease of maintenance. Super nice product. You got to see it. Now let me show you some of the neat features. Onboard gen up front, diamond plate rock protection, a little bit of storage here as well as the other side. Nice solid baggage doors. This is a door for the fuel pump station area. Again, nice solid doors all the way throughout. All aluminum siding. Nice dark sun shaded glass here with the large patio awning. Friction hinge door. Nice adjustable solid step. If we want to run the generator or we're plugged in at a campground and we want to do an outside TV, we have a bracket here to support the TV, 12 volt and 110 plug-ins as well as cable outlet to watch TV out underneath the awning. Nice size wheels and tires to handle the load. This unit will handle, geez, up to about, this particular unit will do about 3,300 pounds of cargo capacity. Excuse me, no, this one's about 5,100 pounds of cargo capacity. So you have plenty of weight to put in it because of the structure and how it's built. When we get to the back end of the trailer, this is a heavier duty ramp door, so heavy enough to put, you know, a handful of vehicles in, any side-by-side, any motorcycles. Very heavy-duty ramp door because you're going in on extruded aluminum flooring with aluminum frame rails. We walk in this model, we have a nice kitchen area, big fridge, TV, countertop area, sink, drawers, microwave convection combo, 2-burner cooktop, several lights. Now on this model in the ATCs have adjustable dimmer lights on the ceilings, okay? Our control panel's right at the doorway. And then when we want to make this into a dinette, very easy to make into. When we put the legs down, it'll make into a bed or dinette mode. Very easy to do. And then the table would have clips that pull in there, but it just kind of folds down. Watch the leg as it comes down. Very easy to make the dinette and or overhead cabinetry. Again, very nice cabinet doors. Overhead bunk that's power, and this will go up all the way to the ceiling and give us plenty of storage to bring our machines inside if we want, or just to be able to walk underneath it. Very easy to remove too if we wanted to. It's just 4 pins in the corners to be able to take it out. And then on the back end we have the couch that makes into another bed or couch mode for couch. This has the patio kit, so it's going to come with the cable to make the patio, screen wall, and fencing around the rear deck, as well as having the ramp. Very, very nice setup. Got the blackout shades here, along with plenty of USBs and 110 plugins throughout too, so it makes it very utilitarian, very easy to work with. We don't have to run cables all over if we want to plug something in because we got plenty of outlets throughout the trailer. Air conditioning, fuel station, big generator. No holes in the floor, it's all ducted through the cabinetry, so with the forced air furnace and the carpet down, makes it very nice. We open up into the bathroom. Nice one-piece shower enclosure. Vanity area. Nice big sink there and counter space with plenty of storage in the bathroom. Porcelain toilet. We got a fantastic fan in there, as well as the heat duct in the bathroom as well. And then we move into the bedroom. This has a walk-around bed. So it's a nice queen-size bed. Plenty of drawers and cabinets, all on roller bearings on the drawers. Solid surface countertops. Nice cabinetry here throughout. Overhead ducted AC, as well as a second AC in the bedroom. This unit is pre-wired and backed for a TV in the bedroom if you want to put that in, as well as having closet space over off the door side behind the shower area that makes a very handy area to add more wardrobe stuff and or access to plumbing down below. Bed lifts up, storage underneath. We also can store the gate and the step ladder that comes up the back patio, as well as the ladder storage for the bunk bed above in the rear. Composite floor in the bottom, so again, no wood to deteriorate in this trailer. It's a absolutely the best trailer built if you're looking for durability and long lasting, because they're just, it's not going to deteriorate. Phenomenal product, hard to get. We get them, they go very quick. This one just showed up along with the Game Changer Pro that just sold. We had that about 4 days and it's gone already. So if you're looking for something like this, we do have an abundance of inventory coming in. So please contact me direct at 541-979-1770. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center here in Junction City, Oregon. Make the trip if you're out of state, because they're hard to come by and we have them in stock. So call me and let's get hooked up. Thank you.